So ladies and gentlemen, in this one, what you're having given is you're given a point. All right? So for each one of these points, now what we need to do is they want us to figure out the 6 trigonometric functions, right? Well, remember, first of all, ladies and gentlemen, what we've done, when we've worked on 6 trigonometric functions, we were given the unit circle, which had a radius of 1. However, when I look at this point, what we want to do to figure out the 6 trigonometric functions, the main important thing I told you guys to do was draw a triangle, right? Because triangle, when we know the 6 trigonometric functions, if I have a right triangle, I can easily do sine, cosine, and tangent, right? And then to do the reciprocal properties, it's just flipping them, correct? So all I need to do is I need to create a triangle. So what I do is I look at these points, and since they're not on the unit circle, I need to figure out what my radius is going to be. Right now, all I'm given is the x and the y coordinate, but I'm not given the radius. So what I'm going to do is I need to create a triangle so I can now develop what the radius is going to be. Does that make sense? When we had the unit circle, we said sine was y and cosine was x because we had a radius of 1. So we didn't have to worry about the hypotenuse of our triangles. Now we have triangles that have a hypotenuse that is greater than 1. So let's go ahead and figure them out. So here, my x, that'd be 4 and then 3. So now I need to figure out what my hypotenuse is by using Pythagorean theorem. I can say that's going to be 5. Here, I can create my triangle. I'll create my right triangle here where I'm going to say this is going to be -15 and this point is 8. Now by using the Pythagorean theorem, you can say 8 squared plus -15 squared equals c squared. 64 plus 225 equals c squared. 289 equals c squared. Take the root. I don't know if I can simplify that at all, but I know that my triangle is now going to be square root of 289 and then 8 and a -15. Where this triangle is a Pythagorean triple, 5, 3, and 4. From these two triangles, can you guys now do sine, cosine, tangent? Yes, it's very easy, basic, right? Sine, opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent, opposite over adjacent. Then secant. Secant is hypotenuse over adjacent. Cosecant, hypotenuse over opposite. Cotangent, adjacent over opposite. Okay, well, that's it.